Toad Frog, you're gonna have to get out of here. I put in a under-deck drip system today, and it turned into a bigger pain than I thought it would. I had these 2 pieces of rain gutter in the garage. I don't have no hangers or brackets or nothing, so I just put a temporary board up here. I got up there a while ago and squirted the garden hose, and it was pouring down in here like you wouldn't believe. I had the plastic cut too close to the beam up there, so I cut it off shorter, and it's working like a champ. I'm really impressed with how much that's going to shed the water from coming in this basement. My homemade DIY under-deck drip system. I'm going to, between the joists up here where this crack is, I'll fit some flashing that'll divert the water, come down in there when I'm up there putting the deck boards on. I've got more to do to finish it, like getting the right kind of rain gutter and closing in this area right here. But I got enough now that I ain't gonna worry about it if it comes up with rain the next week or two, day or two. They're talking about a lot of rain coming. You can look down in there and see how it diverts the water downhill to come to this end and be outside. Anyway, got a little bit done today. Progress, my friends. Yeah, I was getting tired and wanted to quit, but since I knew the rain was coming, I just got that old piece of rain gutter out of the garage and shoved it up in here. And I had the plastic cut too long. I had to shorten it, so I laid up there on the joist with a cutter and shortened the plastic where it doesn't splash on the back of the rain gutter. I can always trim it some more when I get my new rain gutter. But it's working pretty good. I squirted the garden hose up there a while ago, and it was running every bit of that water right out the other side. Tomorrow being Saturday, I might not get anything done. I'm tired. Got a lot done today. I've been out here all day getting that stuff done. It was worth an extra day's work to put that on there, though. That's my little update for today.